Hello from North Tyrone. Today I will show you how to repair a DCD796 Dewalt brushless combi drum. I've never done this repair on this particular model before. It's a full motor and switch replacement because I thought the parts were far too expensive. A brand new one of these, as it sits without battery and charger, would cost you about £80. I thought the parts were somewhere in the region of £80, so therefore too expensive. But I discovered this week that this here, which is a new part I'm going to fit, can be got off eBay for $29.99, and it arrived today, which is well pleased to see. It arrived today, and I got that on eBay. I'll let you see it again. I got that on eBay for $29.95 off a seller called Power Tool Center. I recommend this seller because I bought a few things off them and they seem to be very reliable. The part number, if you're interested in getting one for yourself, is N for November 438606. Right, what happened there, I just paused the video to dig out most of the screws. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws there. I took out 2 of these front screws. There's 2 still in to keep it together for the meantime. Paused it to take out the screws just to save time, and there's a wee label there at the back. You peel that label back, and there's a label there. Down the light is, peel that back as well, or take it off, whatever you prefer. Anyway, probably have to at least slacken these 2 screws here to get the side cover off. Didn't want to get all screws, so we're just slacking these a little bit. Let's just slide the gearbox up a wee bit like that. Then your side cover should be able to be removed. Like that. Okay. So here we have it now. As you can see, that's all in one unit. That's a new one. So we're going to remove the old one, put in a new one. So the first thing is to get the gearbox all together, which you have to remove the screws for. So you can get it into shot for you. This is why I paused this video, because this can take up a lot of people's valuable time watching me taking out a few screws, which you don't know how to take out screws. I don't know what I can do for you. You're sort of doomed. Anyway, there we are. Forward reverse slider is sort of attached there, holding things on. There's a screws holding a wee bit. Right, so all the screws are officially out now. Remove that there now. Probably have to, that's it. There we are. I took a forward reverse slider off there along with the front motor. And what you're left with is that. So basically we just have to lift that out. I don't think there's any screws holding that in. You just lift that straight out. and what fell there was the forward back, this here, the reactivator for the switch. So you just pull that straight out. So that's it removed. Leave that there for now. I'll set the new one in. Just want you to see what I'm doing here. It's terribly fiddly this, and you have to sure the wires aren't getting crushed or messed about here. I'll just pause this wee. Right, just continue here now. You'll see that's the front light that goes on there. Get the wire in out of the way like that. You can see that. I don't have to have my hands too much in the way. That there. And then that air slides on the cat. Okay. See? This bit, it activates the switch there. It has to go on at the same time. You can see that. That's very nice there. Also, the wee forward reverse slider, as I would call it, has to go on like that. Okay. Okay. And we'll have to refit the motor. Also make sure that that's sitting in correctly as well. I have to refit the motor here. Try and show you as well as I can. Fit into the cogs like that, just goes into place. And then slide that back in. Okay, it's all sitting in good. Yep, you see that clicking in. That clicked in on the far side there. If you look at this other side of the housing, these two boys here that are sticking out, they have to slot into these. So they've slotted in the far side. Probably the best thing we can do now is put in 2 screws there. Not tighten them all the way, just put them on a bit, because we'll have to get the other side slotted into place too. Those screws. The far side. They'd usually take more time at this, but in the interest of doing a quick video, upload speed, download speed wouldn't be very good here, so I have to make my videos as fast as possible. So everything's sitting in place there. So you slide the back, the side back on. Should I say? Make sure all's in place. Good. Put that sticker on just to hold in place. Also, click it down that little way around. It's all in place there. Okay. And there's a light switch, you can put that on. The wee light sticker, should I say. That back on. You can cut through that if you're not that fussed, but it's nice if you stick them on, helps the look of the wee drill again. But I'm going to pause the video and put in all the screws again. Right, that's all the screws on now. The 4 at the front on each side of the chock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 there, or whatever. I might have counted wrong, but anyway. So that's a new motor fitted. I'll try the battery in to see. As you can see, forward reverse sliders working there. That's going as an absolute dream. High and low speed. The light's going there. Yep, the light's going there. So that is how you fit a brand new motor in a DCD796. And that fix is well worth doing. Only costs $29.95. It's better than throwing your good drill in the bin.